Today I wanted to talk to you a little bit and explain the differences between vinyl, iron-on, and infusible ink. Hey everyone, this is Julia. Welcome to the Quiet Grove. Today I wanted to talk to you a little bit and explain the differences between vinyl, iron-on, and infusible ink. These are three very popular products, materials that Cricut offers to use with their Cricut machines. And I get a lot of questions about, well, what's the difference and how would you use it? So I wanted to go into that a little bit today. So vinyl. Vinyl is probably one of the most common crafting materials that a lot of crafters use with crafting machines. It's kind of like a sticker that you can cut out intricately or not. People use them for labels, for designs on their walls, all sorts of different fun projects like that. Vinyl comes in two different varieties. You have permanent vinyl, which is outdoors, it can get wet, you can wash it if you need to, it stays. And then you have removable vinyl. Uses for permanent vinyl, maybe decorating your mailbox or putting a permanent thing on your windshield of your car, your back little windshield, cute little thing. Or I love using them to make custom mugs because you can hand wash them and it stays on, so you can do some fun designs. And again, vinyl comes in lots of different, you have solid colors, they have holographic vinyl, they have patterns, there's so many fun uses for vinyl. It's just think in your mind, sticker that you can cut out your custom designs. Iron-on is Cricut's heat transfer vinyl. What that means is it's heat activated. You use an iron or a press to apply it to the surface. So it's not just like a peel sticker like vinyl is. You would use a heat press. Traditionally, you'll see people using iron-on fabric. So like custom shirts or custom socks or custom hats. So many different uses. But did you know you can also use iron-on paper crafting and wood and glass and other surfaces? So there's a hint for you. I love iron-on. Even on those other surfaces, because unlike vinyl, it doesn't look like a sticker. It kind of melds a little bit more with the material. So on paper crafting projects, it looks more like an embossed, foil embossed or regular embossed like design. So it kind of gives you that little bit of fun there. Now, the third one I want to talk to you about is Cricut's Infusible Ink. What is Infusible Ink? Well, Infusible Ink is Cricut's, basically it's their sublimation. Sublimation used to be something that only professionals who spent a ton of money on their materials and their $2,000 sublimation printers and special presses could use. But Cricut's brought it to you, the everyday crafter. You can use, for Infusible Ink, you can either use their sheets, which are patterned designs that you would cut out like vinyl or iron-on and then press into your surface. Or they also have a line of Infusible Ink pens and markers to draw designs. So there's so much fun you can do. Now, Infusible Ink, to be able to use, if you're using it with a fabric material, it needs to be higher count polyester. The reason why is because it holds the ink better than the cotton does. And what happens, how Infusible Ink works, is you heat it to a certain degree by pressing it with the heat press, and it turns into almost like a gas and it permeates into the material. So it's not a sticker, it's not something that's on top of your project, it actually becomes part of your project. So it doesn't wash out, it doesn't, peel or crack or anything after, 50 washings like sometimes iron-on can do. So you can do fabric projects. I have made some really fun Infusible Ink socks and shirts for my family. You can also do other fun projects. Cricut has a whole line of Infusible Ink blanks that you can get, including coasters, makeup bags, pillowcases, shirts, and even fun little wine bags that you can put a design on there for custom gifts. So much fun, and they're always coming out with more, so always stay tuned on that. But that is the basics between vinyl, iron-on, and Infusible Ink. Other materials that are similar to vinyl that you can use our Adhesive Foil, which is actually a really, really thin foil with an adhesive background. So it's kind of like vinyl, kind of like that sticker on there. But really, these ones are the go-to. There's so many, like Cricuts can cut over 100 different materials out there. But these are the ones I use the most. Vinyl, iron-on, and Infusible Ink. So if you have any more questions, make sure to ask in the comments below. Follow me at the Quiet Grove so that you can be up to date with other informational videos and fun projects. And don't forget to like and share this video. It means a lot. Thanks. Bye.